Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jeremiah, Justice Garcia, and
This is Justin Faida
we are
Pader.
now, we are now in the first,
in the Tres Cosaneros Road.
first day of
First day of our
Mid-year,
mid-year
which is
as second year student here at
Cavite State
State
University main campus.
Ate Lance. Shout out sa'yo.
Shoutout sa'yo, Be! Be, sikat ka na!
Uy, mabuk na yung method to yan.
Nakaganto pa naman siya sa
Pero
video.
inimagine ko si Buknoy kung hindi siya niya ginawa yun. Nasa ano siya ni Esnir.
Gagaganong kasi dapat magsikat ka talaga. Like, you
You
have to
protect
face...
your image.
Yes, you protect your image. You have to face the consequences. Ay!
Fit check.
Grabe! Picheck! Picheck!
Grade check. Tres.
Grade check, 3/10.
Ako